Hey you guys, so I'm getting ready to start packing for a Kokoist Level 1 and Level 2 certification down in Orlando. I leave tomorrow, which is Friday. So they send us a list of things that we need. So I'm just gonna go through this list and get everything that I need together so I could put it in my carry-on bag. I'm so excited for this class. So let's go ahead and start collecting basically the stuff that I need. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to share with you the things that I need for this class. My Mani Pro, so I have that, which is my, hand file. I'm also going to bring my apron so I don't get dirty. You need a extension cord, so I got that. I'm also going to bring some gloves and my dental dip that I put on the table to protect it. You also need a brush, to clean up the dust. So I got that. You need some lint-free wipes. You need some nippers. So I got some nippers. A dish to put your solution in. I'm going to bring my license just in case. I think I did have to submit this before I signed up for the class, but I'm still going to bring it with me. You also need some 90% or higher alcohol, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna go buy some acetone. You also need your gel lamp. I'm taking my Kokoist gel lamp, so I got that. You also need a light so you can see what you're doing, so I'm bringing my table light. So just finished disinfecting my nippers, my bits, my cuticle pusher, and my nail clippers. So I'm going to put that in a bag and I'm going to pack it with me. All right, you guys, I made it to the hotel. I'm staying at the True by Hilton. It's a cute little hotel. It has all the amenities you need. I'm only here for 2 days, so I didn't need anything fancy, just the basics, I have a mirror right here, a little thing to hang your whatever, your jackets. The necessities right here, fridge, ironing board, all that stuff. And of course the bed. It has a desk, a little bench, and the TV. And then my room is overlooking the pool. So yeah, that's what So I look crazy because I had an early flight. My flight left at 6:30 and I had to drive an hour and a half to the airport. So I left my house at 3 in the morning. I haven't gotten no sleep. So I'm about to go downstairs, get some breakfast, and then I'm coming back. I'm taking a shower, and I'm gonna try and lay. Good morning, you guys. We are in beautiful, sunny Orlando. So I'm getting ready. Well, I'm waiting for the Uber to come pick me up to take me to the training class. Listen, you know what I did? I put acetone in a freaking plastic bottle, and of course the acetone ate the bottle, so I need to stop by CVS and get me a bottle of acetone, and then we're gonna head to class. But listen, yesterday I was so tired, I literally didn't do anything. I had these grand plans of doing all this stuff yesterday. That did not happen. I worked, I ate, I took a shower, and I went to sleep. But today's a new day. I'm so excited for the class. Let's go.
We're gonna do some really fun art today and a lot of really good, like, foundational kind of basics too. Here, and here. And then maybe if I'm on this nail, I'll go here, here, and here. So they kind of like mirror each other, and that's mentally, that's how it makes sense to me. But I'm gonna wipe on my palette, so I'm not even using art play or anything, I'm just using my palette to clean off my brush, and I'm gonna go with Midnight Chocolate. Oh yes. Unfortunately. Very cute. Sometimes we're like, you don't have to put it in it. Like they put it in there automatically, and I'm just like, oh, it's okay.
And you're like pulling all this stuff.
is like the scissor queen of this. She's so good. I'm a more of a nipper girl.
All right, you guys, so I just got back from the certification class. I'm gonna sit down and do a full in-depth review on it, but yeah, now I change outfits and stuff. I'm getting ready to go to dinner. I want to go to PF Chang's. I haven't had PF Chang's in so freaking long, so we're gonna Uber over there. My outfit, the shirt is from Kohl's, the glasses are from Walmart, the skirt is from Nordstrom Rack, is in one of my haul videos that I did, and then my shoes are from Kohl's as well, and the brand is Madden Girl. I love this little outfit, super cute, sporty, but you know, still cute. So let's go ahead and head to dinner. All right, you guys, so I ended up at PF Chang's. The food was meh. I didn't really care for it. After that, I decided to head over to the mall of Millennia, I think it's called Millennial, I don't know. So the mall was pretty. It had a lot of stores that my Uber driver told me this is considered like their bougie mall. They have Gucci, Louis Vuitton, all these like Lululemons, you know, higher end stores. And it was really pretty to walk around and just to shop, window shop a little bit. I really didn't buy anything because I only brought a carry-on bag and she was packed to the rim. So I just walked around and, you know, people watch and window shopped. After that, I caught another Uber. I ended up going to City Walk, which is inside the Universal Orlando Resort thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's basically this huge area where they have music, food, restaurants, movie theaters. It was pretty cool. And then I made my way down near the water. I love being near the water. It calms me down. So I sat here for a little bit. I ate my little Cold Stone. And then after that, I decided to head back up the street and just kind of take this little video right here. I called my Uber and I went back to the hotel. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. The Kokoist class was amazing. Stay tuned for a full in-depth video about that, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.